G'day everyone, Andy from Sewer Surgeon, your Sydney drain specialist. Thanks for being with us today. It's the start of summer. You can see it's a nice, bright, lovely day. We're here to talk about block drains and what we can do to prevent any flooding that may occur at your house. Some of the tips that I'm going to give now, they can be basic. Some people have time, some people don't have time. If you don't have time to do these, you can always give us a call at Sewer Surgeon. First things we're looking at is just general maintenance around the home. We want to make sure that your gutters are clean, and we want to make sure that your stormwater pits are clean. A lot of people will go and clean their gutters, but they don't consider the stormwater pits, or vice versa. So it's important to do them both at the same time, because if you don't clean your gutters but you clean out your stormwater pits, all the leaves and debris are going to wash down from your gutters. They're going to clog up your stormwater drains, and it's going to cause blockages. So once the gutters are all cleaned out, once the stormwater is cleaned out, the homeowner will grab a 20-litre bucket of water, tip it straight down the drain, walk down to the front, wait on the road, and expect to see a big gush of water coming out onto the street. If that gush of water doesn't come, that's a good indication that you probably want to call a plumber out. Generally, some of the problems that are going to occur inside the drain is you'll get tree roots growing that are causing a blockage. You get an obstruction, often from toys or from pebbles that have been dropped down the line from children. Or you're going to get further leaf and debris that have been blocked down the line and have got caught up there on a junction or in a flat section that might be slightly dipped, or you're going to have a collapsed pipe. So they're generally the four problems that you're going to have. And by water not gushing out onto the street, 7 out of 10 times is a good indication that there is a problem with the stormwater. However, sometimes homes are designed where the stormwater will roll under the ground and join into a common stormwater pipe in the street. But 7 out of 10 times, stormwater from a home is going to exit onto the street. So if the water isn't rushing out after you've tipped that bucket of water, it's a good time to call a plumber. Once the plumber arrives, he's going to put his CCTV camera down the stormwater line. He's going to push the camera all the way through. Hopefully, if he goes to the street, there isn't an obstruction. We'd have to look and see why that water hasn't come through. But generally, you're going to find there is the obstruction. The CCTV camera will be able to determine what that is. Unless the line is full of water, he'll be able to push the camera up to the point of obstruction, locate where that is, and then determine the best way to fix that problem. Ultimately, what the plumber wants to do is make sure that he can get that repaired so that when you put that bucket of water down, it flows all the way to the street, and that's going to guarantee that when you do get heavy rains, it's not going to block up here and it's not going to do damage to your house. Well, there it is. You now know how to get your drains storm ready. Give us a call before the next heavy rains. I'm Andy from the Sewer Surgeon. We'll see you soon.